Hey, what's up everyone, this is Zappy and this is my PC build video. Before I go into talking about what parts I got for the build, go ahead and leave me a like and subscribe on the video. Also, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments about the build and what I could have done better. There will also be a link in the description for all the PC parts that I got for this specific build, so if you want to build one in the future, just like mine. Other than that, let's get right into the video. Here are all the PC parts for my build. The only thing that you guys aren't seeing here is the case. I have the Corsair iQ 5000X, the QL edition mid-tower case. You will be seeing that later on in the video. As far as that, we're going to go straight into the motherboard. The motherboard, I got the ROG Strix Z690. Highly recommend this motherboard. Don't have any complaints for it. The only thing is that it's got two USBs built into the motherboard, and it wasn't enough USBs for me to control all of the lighting in my PC, so therefore I had to get an internal USB hub for me to control all of the lighting for my USB. So I highly recommend getting that if you're going to get this motherboard. Going on to the graphics card, we have the ROG Strix GeForce RTX 3080 10GB. This thing speaks for itself. It's an all-white build. As far as power supply, we have the Corsair HX 1000 watt power supply. Really good power supply, highly recommend. Moving on to the fans, we have the Corsair QL 120s. Some of these already come in built into the PC. I got two extra ones because, you know, I wanted a little bit more extra fans in my PC. As far as SSD, we have the Western Digital 2TB SSD. Highly recommend, enough storage for me. Really good product. RAM sticks, we have the G-Skill Trident Z Royales. These are two RAM sticks. As far as gigabytes, they are 64 gigabytes as well as 4000 megahertz. These are the holy grails. I absolutely love this part, one of my favorite parts for the PC build. Going on to the processor, we have the i9 Intel Core 12th Gen 12900K. This thing speaks for itself. And last but not least, the NZXT Kraken Z73. The only reason why I got this liquid cooler versus a Corsair one is because I wanted to put my own GIF and logo into my screen that it provides right here. As far as that, this is my PC parts, and let's get right into the build.